Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can transform an existing selection to move, resize, or rotate an existing selection within an image. To transform an existing selection in an image, choose Select, Transform Selection from the menu bar. At that point, a transform bounding box will appear around the entire selection within the image. To move the selection within the image, click into the middle of the bounding box and drag the selection within the image to the desired area. To resize the selection, place your mouse pointer directly over the resizing handle located at each side and each corner of the bounding box that corresponds to the direction in which you want to resize the selection. When your mouse pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow intersected by a small line, you can then click and drag in either direction shown by the arrow to resize the selection in that direction. Release the mouse button when the selection is the size you want. To rotate a selection, place your mouse pointer slightly outside the bounding box by the resizing handle you want to use to grab and rotate it. When the mouse pointer turns into a bent, double-pointed arrow, click and drag in either direction shown by the arrow to rotate the bounding box in that direction. To skew the selection, hold down the Ctrl plus Shift keys on your keyboard. Then click and drag one of the resizing handles on the sides of the selection in the direction you want to skew that side of the selection. To freely distort a selection, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click and drag one of the resizing handles on the sides or corners of the selection in the direction you want to distort the selection. After making transformations to a selection, click the green check mark in the lower right corner of the bounding box to apply the transformations to the selection. To cancel the transformations to the selection, click the red Cancel button in the lower right corner of the bounding box instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.